Okay, so honestly, if I'm being real with you, every time we talk to a student who says, I want to do my master's in Europe, but London is too expensive, the very first country I throw at them is Netherlands. I'm gonna tell you exactly why. Because I think it's quietly become one of the smartest decisions an Indian student can make right now. Let's just start with money, because that's the elephant in the room. A 1 year master's in London for an international student, you are typically looking at 12,000 to 30,000 euros depending on the school and program. Now compare that to the UK, where the same 1 year degree easily cost you around 35,000 to 50,000 pounds. And suddenly the math starts looking very differently. Living expenses, yeah, Amsterdam is not cheap. I'll be honest with you, you are looking at 1200 to 1500 euros per month. Rotterdam, Eindhoven, slightly easier on the wallet. But here's the thing, when you add it all up, your total cost for a Dutch master's, tuition plus living usually lands around 25 to 35 lakhs. That's almost half of what London would cost you. And in my opinion, you are not getting half the education. Not even close. Now here's the part I wish more students knew about. The Netherlands doesn't give you the degree and say bye. After you graduate, you get the Zoekia. It's called the orientation year visa and it gives you around 12 months to figure out. Find a job, freelance, start a business. You don't even need a sponsor. And once you do find a job, the salary threshold to convert to a highly skilled migrant permit is reduced for Zoekia holders. In 2026, it's around 3,000 to 122 euros a month, which, trust me, is genuinely achievable for entry-level roles in finance, tech, consulting. Honestly, in my view, this is one of the most graduate-friendly post-study systems in all of Europe. Way more practical than what UK offers right now. Quick thing on program length, because students get confused here. Business and social sciences masters, mostly 1 year, that's 60 ECTS. Technical stuff, research, engineering, especially at places like TU Delft, those are typically 2 years, 120 ECTS. So, plan accordingly. Now, let me talk about schools, because this is where I see students throw darts at a board. Every Dutch university has a personality. Rotterdam School of Management, hands down my go-to for business, finance, and management. Strong corporate pipeline, Big Four love it. Banks recruit heavily from there. University of Amsterdam, particularly UVA's business and economics faculties. This is where you go if you want to be in the actual business hub of the country, because Amsterdam is where Google, Booking.com, ING, all of them are headquartered. Now, TU Delft, and I'll be very direct with you. This, in my honest opinion, is one of the best engineering universities in all of Europe. If you are doing aerospace, civil, computer science, or sustainable design, you cannot do better. Then there is TU Eindhoven, which I always bring up for students interested in semiconductors or deep tech, because Eindhoven is literally home to ASML, the company the entire global chip depends on. Wageningen, word number 1 for agriculture and food science. And then you have your Utrecht, Leiden, Maastricht, especially great for international business and economics. Tilburg, Groningen, all solid, all internationally well respected. Industries Netherlands actually excels in semiconductors, fintechs, trading, logistics, sustainable engineering, agri-tech, design, and consulting. So if any of that aligns with where you want your career to go, this country genuinely wants you. Real talk though, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, housing is rough. Finding housing in Amsterdam can genuinely be stressful. Start looking the day you get your offer letter, not the day you fly. And one more thing, Dutch teaching style is very heavy on group work or problem-based learning. If you come from an Indian system where it's all lectures and finals, it's a bit of an adjustment. Most students get used to it within the first semester, but just go mentally prepared. But overall, for the Indian students who want quality education, reasonable cost, and a real post-study work pathway, and access to one of the most international top job markets in Europe, the Netherlands is honestly, in my opinion, one of the best and smartest decisions you can make right now. So don't sleep on it.